Hey guys, welcome to the African Leadership University Rwanda. My name is Eche Simbichukwu Evans, popularly known as Eche, and I'll be taking you guys on a campus tour, so come with me. Welcome to the Social Commons in the African Leadership University campus. The African Leadership University campus is divided into three main spaces: the Social Commons, the Leadership Center, and the Enterprise Commons. This is the Social Commons, and this is the food court. The food court is one of the activities that happen here, one of the spaces that is used. And we have the learning lab for your classes and all that. And one of my most favorite things that happens here, the event spaces. The event spaces can be used for your community chills, your hangouts and all that. And we have like the bigger space down there for the community gatherings. You have the smaller spaces for flash mobs and all that, so your hangouts and chills. And you have all the spaces around in the Social Commons. So guys, what are you waiting for? Come through and chill.
Hi guys, my name is Linda. I'm going to be taking over from my friend Eche to show you around our learning comms. So what we have here is our reception, and on my right we have the staff area. Directly below me, just a floor lower, we have our leadership center where most of our classes are. We also have our library and our wellness center. This is it from me. I'm going to be handing over to my friend Tulu right now, and I will see you later.
What's cool about this block is that it's where all our entrepreneurial activities take place. So you're looking for your student businesses, this is exactly where they're located. We also have our Student Ventures program, which is right here in this building, and my personal favorite, the Fab Lab, which is where everybody gets to prototype their various business ideas.
As you all have seen, every space has a purpose, and that was part of the plan.
I hope you got to know our campus a little bit more, and we hope to see you soon.
Thank you so much for stopping by.